A smartwatch has several fundamental components that power its functionality, performance, and overall user experience. The display screen is a touchscreen that allows you to open apps, access notifications, and control all other functions. It includes cover glass, a touch sensor, an OLED or AMOLED display panel, a backlight or emission layer, and a backing layer. A smartwatch has various motion and biometric sensors, enable heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, GPS sensor, altimeter, compass, and temperature sensor. The battery of the smartwatch is the power source that fuels all the other components and determines how much one can use the gadget before recharging. The processor is the system's central processing unit that manages background processes, graphic rendering, and overall speed. Strap or band is a skin-friendly silicone or metal strap, along with leatherette, provide a comfortable wearing experience. Charging pins or dock are the magnetic pins or a special charging base that allow the user to recharge their smartwatch. Physical buttons and a rotating crown manage menus, scroll through apps, and turn the device off or on. Bluetooth or Wi-Fi are the wireless adapters that enable the smartwatch to connect to phones and the internet, as well as for data transmission.